What's up guys, in this video I will show you the most profitable way to promote affiliate links and make money online. So best and easiest way how to promote affiliate links is Facebook, and I will show you some strategy which really can help you to get extra income online. So how this works? For example, we would like to promote a platform called Skillshare. And Skillshare pays $10 for every person who will join, who will register there. So basically we can select any course. For example, I have select this course, Facebook ads for e-commerce, and I can click on share, put person email list, and he will get email from Skillshare. For email will look like this. So, and on a click, person will see entrance video, and if he would like to continue to watch, he should register for free on platform, and Skillshare will pay $10 for every sign up. So what we can do here is we can select any course from Skillshare. In this example I will select my course, and I will join different groups according to my interests. So for example, I would like to promote ClickBank course, and this is why I have joined a group called ClickBank Marketing Facebook. Here I have created simple post without picture and anything like this, like, do you want free ClickBank tutorial? Leave your email and I will send you invite. So as you can see, first one provided email, and second person send me an email in private message. So so they will receive an email like I showed you before, and if they will sign up in next few months to the Skillshare, I will get $20 from these two guys. So this is number one, how to promote your affiliate links. So what you can do is simply, for example, you can also go to different groups like web development, for example, web design and web development. So for example, so here it is. So another group for website design and development. Now we can go back to Skillshare and click on, and let's type web development. Web development. So for example, this course is really popular, we can promote it. So again, I can type something like do you want to get listen do you want to get online course leave your email and I will send you invite. So we can type such messages in Facebook, and people who will provide us with email address, we will send them such invites, and these invites are included with your affiliate link. So guys, really powerful strategy. I recommend you to use this, and keep watching my videos, subscribe, check links what I will put in this video description below, And next day I will show you how to use Pinterest in order to get massive sales to your website and to your traffic, how to expand your profile on Pinterest and things like this. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.